incoming units. We need more time to rig the charges on the droid factory. You've got to push those clankers back!
We're all that's left, sir.
Taking Vanguard.
You can count on us.
For the Republic! Those Seps will restart the droid foundries if we let them. Retake the comms post and call for help. It wouldn't hurt to check the vehicle depot. Something had to survive. Reactivate the walker from the console. Contact the Republic. Do whatever you have to do. Tell them we need help, now! You don't need it perfect, as long as it can reach the fleet. We're clones, we fight!
Transmission failure. Giving it another go.
That ride's all that's between the droids and the factory. Take care of it. You ready?
ATTE startup sequence almost completed.
Nice! An ATTE can do a lot of damage, but it won't hold up forever. Still need that backup.
Adjusting the transmitter to find a signal. Hold him back. Frequency's resolving. Strike team, pin down at the droid factory. Over.
Transmission received. We're on our way, boys.
Droid! Cutting down. So the Geonosians told the droids what we're up to. Use the HTE to take them down, or we're gonna have company. Destroy those transports, and fast! Droid scan. Standard fire's not gonna cut it. We've got to soften the ships up. Try to get creative with the HTE's heavy cannon. advance team is flying in more ATTEs. There's only a handful, though, so don't waste them.
Give me a few seconds. Setting up a shot. Right. Give me a few seconds.
The transport's vulnerable.
Letting her rip.
Look who showed up. Got a friend on site. It's working. Don't let up on the transport.
Setting up a shot.
Quick! Fire before they restore the defenses! The shields are back in place again. Hope you saved some for its friend there. Another ATTE for you. Flanker scan. They lost their shields. We're doing it. The hard cell's hull won't take much more. They destroyed the tank.
Setting up a shot.
Another walker. An ally just landed. Bounty hunter boss just joined the enemy.
Setting up a shot.
The shields are down.
Transport attack underway.
That's one way to have the last word. Targeting hostiles.
Right.
The Republic's open for business, boys.
Give me a few seconds. We're seeing unmanned turbo lasers close to the core ship. I can get gunnery crews inbound if someone were to make a space for them. Setting
It's
up
your
a
show, troopers. Secure the LZ for our gun crews. Master Yoda's here. We lost the HTE.
Covering the kill.
Man, it's another walker. Master Kenobi has joined us.
Walker down. Repeat. Walker down.
Covering the kills.
We've got another ATTE. We've got droids pulling back to the other core ships. This is going down soon.
Setting up a shot.
The walkers are gone.
Eyes up. Walker's coming down. Lock the LZ down. Not a Roger from the lot of them.
Covering the kills.
They destroyed the tank.
Setting up a shot.
Flying in another HTE. This is bad. Enemy leader deploying.
Scanning infantry.
Darth Maul is here. Those droids are following someone. Can't ID.
Setting up a shot.
The LZ's ours. The Seps just don't know it yet.
Pull those triggers till your fingers are ready to fall off.
The kills.
Got droids over there. Boots on the ground. Keep holding that point.
Give me a few seconds.
It's not every day you stop an army and destroy a droid factory. Remarkable. Artillery! Fire when ready!